taking down notes? There are important parts in the books that cannot be found online.
Oh, no need for taking notes. I use StudyFetch, an AI application that helps me save time studying. It can record live lectures that turns them into words after, which is less hassle for me. Just open the app and search for live lectures.
In order for StudyFetch to take notes during your live lectures, the first thing you have to do is to click the Add Plus button on the taskbar on the left side of the screen. This will lead you to the different ways you can add material into their system, which can be used to create flashcards, quizzes, notes, and more. Now, select Record Live Lecture and click on Create a Live Lecture Session to start. Make sure that you have enabled the app's access to your device microphone in order for it to tune in to your live lectures. Now that everything is set, you can now click on the Start Listening button on the left side of the screen. StudyFetch will now transcribe everything your professor is teaching and turn them into draft notes on the lower left side of the screen as shown. As it collects more information, it will also automatically take notes of the main points being covered during the lecture.
Wow, gonna download it ASAP. Do we need to pay for it?
Well, there's always the free option, which is what I'm using right now. But even if it's limited, it's still a big help for medical students like us.
What are the other features of it?
Are you guys talking about StudyFetch?
Yes!
Oh my god, I also use it too. You know, especially when our professor sets up a PowerPoint and there's just too many slides. So what I do here is I just upload the file here and it automatically summarizes it.
To easily create notes from lecture slides, all you have to do is upload the file into StudyFetch for it to generate your study materials. Choose the type of notes you would like StudyFetch to make for you and click on Import Materials. Name the study material and click on Ready to Go. Now, StudyFetch will start generating your notes for you.
Plus, if you want to study by using flashcards, no need to waste lots of money on paper. You can upload the file and it generates flashcards for you, or write your own set of flashcards. See?
If you prefer studying using flashcards, you can also generate them with the help of StudyFetch. Just upload the file you would like to study and select the flashcards feature before importing the material. Once StudyFetch has finished generating your file, go to your study sets and click on the file you uploaded and select flashcards. StudyFetch will automatically have flashcards ready and set for you to study with.
If you also want to make sample questions yourself, you can make one using the app. You just need to make your own sample questions, like this.
If you would like to take a quiz on a certain study material, you can easily do so by selecting a set you have uploaded. Click on Practice Quizzes and select Create Practice Quiz. Name your quiz, set, and click on Create Quiz. StudyFetch will now process your uploaded file into a quiz you can practice on.
And it automatically turns on like an online quiz.
Lastly, you can also ask questions and the app will answer it for you. For example,
if you would like to ask any questions regarding a lecture you are struggling with, you can always ask StudyFetch anything, and it will answer with thorough explanations that are simple and easier to understand.
Wow, with just one app, it already has lots of features with it. Class dismissed. Oh no! I didn't finish taking down notes.
I got you, girlie. I'm gonna send you notes from the app to you.
So what are you waiting for? Download StudyFetch now!
Harness the power of AI with Spark E and make your studying smarter, not harder.